Welcome back. Another day of harvesting corn. Week 3. Here we go. We're on an irrigated field now, so the corn is quite a bit better, especially for a drought. We're gonna get some pretty cool drone footage today, so make sure you stay tuned.
Oh, no, he didn't just stop there.
He's spilling.
He didn't just completely stop.
Oh my, he's spilling a lot.
Oh,
It's the first cap corn of all year.
Nah, he had cap corn me a couple times just because I couldn't go fast enough. I was like, you spinning? He's like, I know.
I think he's on the radio saying it's the auger wagon driver's fault.
He probably is.
Big Daddy's always mowing. He loves to mow. It's his favorite job.
Okay, folks, got our first big breakdown of the year. Probably not going to take too long to fix it, but you get to see the inside of the combine. These are the concaves. That thing right there is your cylinder, your rotor that spins, and it threshes the grain out between the concaves and the rotor. Now, there's a piece that goes right here to right here, and that allows you to raise and lower the concave. There's 12 bolts, and when you pull those bolts out and you change the concaves, you put the bolts back in and you tighten them up, the threads stretch, the nuts came loose, and then that put extra stress on this piece, which is the piece that holds the concaves in place that I was telling you about. And right here, this part broke. So my brother's on the way to the dealership. Fortunately, they have an extra one of these, so we're gonna get a new one, and hopefully in an hour or so, maybe an hour and a half, we'll be back running.
Well, we're opening up the back of this irrigated field, and for the subscribers, you're probably wondering one or two things. You said you were going to do chicken litter in the next video. Well, we decided we would do a different field, so I guess chicken litter's next week. Well, that's most likely what's gonna happen. And another thing that you're probably wondering is he's driving the tractor in a video. Yeah, there's a guy named JHA, that's his YouTube channel, and he gave me a tip to get rid of the strikes, so that's good. I guess you'll have to go to subscribe to his channel to figure out how I did that, and yes, it actually works. Big shout out to JHA. He will be linked in the description and probably the comments too. Oh, gotta unload. Now we're unloading. This is quite a steep angle. Camera doesn't really do it justice, but it's pretty steep. That's why I put the camera down, because farming comes before YouTube.
Are you going up there right now?
I'm in the very back and I'm about to unload. He's about to unload on me.
So it's walking. It might be where it needs to be, and I don't even know.
Yeah, I would say probably go ahead and turn it off.
Okay. Alright.
Time to unload on the truck. When unloading, I rode up to full throttle, which is 1900, because we have a little limiter on it for maximum torque. And then I open the slide gate all the way and wait until it fills up in the front hopper by looking at this camera, if y'all can see that. And sometimes whenever it's at the end, I give it tiny little tap just so the grain comes out quicker. And then once I see no more grain, I lower the RPM, turn the PTO off, and then I look at the PTO back there to make sure it stops spinning. Once it stops spinning, then I fold the auger in. That's how I unload. Hello?
Hey, is it full?
No.
Well, go get me some more. Hurry up.
Well, I'm waiting on Kinsey because I'm going to fly my drone because he wants me to look to make sure there's no blown down corn for his yield contest. I'm getting the drone and I'm flying it.
Why are you flying the drone? We should be busy harvesting corn.
Well, my uncle wants to make sure there's no blown down corn for his yield contest. And it looks like, yeah, if you look on the screen, you can see blown down corn there.
Yeah.
And you can't see that if you just look across the field.
Nope.
There's the combine.
Yeah.
I gotta get back to work.
Yeah, get back to work. What do you mean? You're not working. You're playing. Kinsey's doing the work now. Go, go, go!
Here comes one of our professional operators. He's been running the grain cart for years. Probably about 7 or 8 years, really. So we'll pull around and dump on our truck. Good job, professional operator. This was a emergence trial we did. See the little green flags we have down here at the base of the plants, and we're checking the ear size compared to the day that the flags are marking that it came up.
Well, we're done for the week. Harvesting corn. We'll start back Monday. So I guess that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.